Good morning. This is e-learning day for March 20th, Honors Math 3. So today I'm just going to give you the answer key for this worksheet, one that you didn't have the answers for. Then look over the solutions. If you have any questions, you need to explain something, just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to kind of leave this video running. Right. Take your time, take a look at it while I do my little workout here in the background. Alright, have a great day.
Hi everyone.
Okay, you guys have a great day. Have a good weekend.